This video will give you an overview of the Lumos System Designer tool, which will allow you to quickly create preliminary layouts for your projects and request a quote. You start by going to lumosolar.com and then Resources and Design Tools. If you have not already created an account, you will be prompted to do so. Once you're signed in, you'll see the System Designer tool right at the top. You can click on Get Started. This will take you to the Projects page. If you've never been in here before, this will be blank. But if you've been in here, you will have all the projects and all the layouts that you've ever created in this tool. Each project can contain multiple layouts, and this is for instances where you might not be exactly sure what it is you want. You go through different iterations. Can it be in this area? Maybe can it be in a different area? Help you keep track of all the iterations for your project. Let's start by creating a new project at the top. We'll just call this one Test. And we'll add our first layout to that project. Let's also call it, say, Layout 1. Once you're in the Layout tool, at the bottom left, you can see the available module types, and at the bottom right, you can see a few helpful tools. Let's start by uploading what we call a diagram, which can be a PDF, or it can be a satellite image, or it can be a PNG or JPEG. As long as you have one known dimension in your image, it can be used in this tool. You need that known dimension in order to set the scale so that the tool knows how big the modules are relative to the image behind it. In this case, let's use this 46 foot 9.5 inch dimension here. I'm going to click on my scale tool at bottom right, click on one end of that dimension. If I hold shift, it will constrain the line to horizontal and vertical, which is helpful. And I'll click on the other end, and it's asking me in inches, how long is this line? So 46 foot 9.5 inches is 561.5 inches. Click enter. Now my image is scaled. Let's figure out how many modules will fit over this roof deck right here. Vision S modules, let's use those. Got a rotate handle here. Let's spin it. And then we can drag these handles to increase the number of mods. I'm going to go with a little bit of overhang beyond the roofs to the left and right. And then let's drag the handles this way. And try to keep it inbound in that direction. Alright, that looks like pretty good. Layout, so if I click on this array over at left, it'll tell me it's Vision S modules, it's 4x5 modules, gives me the width, gives me the height, which is top to bottom on the screen, tells me the overall square footage. And if I wanted to create another array, let's say with Vision L modules in this case, I just drag those onto the screen. Let's say, looks like there's a rooftop array here with some different modules, but let's do a quick layout with some Vision Ls. I'll put it in the center here and drag out. That's a little bit crooked, so let's fix it. That's better. And let's ignore those skylights for the purposes of this tutorial and just cover this whole roof like that. Great, now I've got two arrays in this project. Array number 1, Vision S 4x5, array number 2, Vision L 14x6. So let's say that's all I want to do for this project. Next step is I click on Request a Quote. And this gives me a summary of my project. It says 104 modules, 20 Vision S, 84 Vision L. If I click on Submit Quote Request, it'll just go directly to Lumos, and you'll hear back from us with a quote for your project. If you're not ready to submit a quote, that's fine. All of that data is automatically saved, and it shows up on your projects page. Layout 1 for the project named Test. You can create additional layouts for that project the same way that we just did that one. And that's it. That's the quick tutorial on the Lumos System Designer tool.